Assalamualaikum, my name is Iman Aina bin Jairun. My metric number is H2182820. For the question number 1, I use a class width for the formula to search the data intent in the class is the long laundries, upper laundries, frequency, percentage boundaries, and relative frequency and order. For the math class width, I get 712 minus 552 per 5, and as a result 32. Second, English class width, I get a 721 minus 486 per 5, and as a result is 47. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum. My name is Nurul Akila binti Syed Amran. My metric number is H21A2555. Next, we move to number 2. I use formula midpoint, lower class limit plus upper class limit. So for the math score midpoint, the point shows 568, 601, 634, 667, 700, while English score midpoint, which is 509.5, 557.5, 605.5, 653.5, and 701.5. A pie chart for gender of the study sample, which is divided to female and male. So the total of the male, which is 44%, while the female is 56%. Next, mean for maths is the total 615.04, while mean for English, which is 585.04. The median for maths is 604. This is because there are 25 entries. The median is the middle. So the median for maths is 604. Median for English is 584. Because there are 25 entries, the median is the middle. So the median for English is 584. Mode for maths is 619. From the data, 619 have twice, whereas the other data only once. So the mode for maths is 619, while mode for English is same with maths, because have twice, whereas the other data only one. So the mode for English is 619 also.
My name is Nur Arini binti Muhammad Armi. My metric number has 2182375. Today I'm going to present about the mean, the median, and the mode. Firstly, the mean of the skewed left height GPA is 3.01, and then the median also 3.01. Last, the mode is 3.50. Next, the mean of the skewed right computer GPA is 3.15. The median is 3.23. And lastly, the mode is 3.50.
Question number 5, the confidence interval for the math score and English. First, math score. The critical value for a 95% confidence level with 24 degrees of freedom is approximately 2.064 and get 24.935. As the result, with a 95 confidence level, the confidence interval for the math score is roughly 587.14 and 637.74. For the next score is English. The critical value is 95% with 24 degree of freedom is 2.064 and get 30.49. As the result for this subject is confidence level is 95 and the English get the confidence interval is roughly 550.17 and 613.05. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Nur Ayuni Najwa binti Zulkifli. My metric number is H2182505. I want to present question 6. Draw a scatter plot comparing the student high school GPA to their overall university GPA. This is a scatter plot comparing the student high school GPA and overall university GPA. A scatter plot shows the relationship between two quantitative variables measured for the same individuals. The values of one variable appear on the horizontal axis and the value of the other variable appear on the vertical axis. Each individual in the data appear as a point on the graph. A visual representation of the distribution of the data can be observed by graphing the various data points. Based on the scatter plot above, we can identify the correlation or not. In this scatter plot, there is no correlation between high school GPA and overall university GPA. Question 7. What is the correlation between high school GPA and overall university GPA? There is a 0.109 link between overall university GPA and high school GPA. Since the correlation is positive, when the value of one variable increase, it tends to increase as well. That's all.
Good morning. My name is Lati Manoharan. My metric number is 821-82810. Today I will present about business statistic assignment. My question is 8. Number 8. Okay. In my calculation, I get the student average math score was 615.04. Then average English score is 585.04. Question 8b. The question is conduct a test to see if this difference is statistically significant. Okay, the test answer is 0.061838955. Since this test value is at 0.06 is bigger than 0.05. It's statistically.
My name is Nur Arini binti Mama Army. My metric number has 2182375. So I'm going to present about question 9. So to test whether the mean female grade is the same as that of female student using a t-test. First, we need to calculate the necessary statistic. The mean we got is 1.52. So when we calculate the t-test, we got the answer is 3.23. When we look on the decision rule, we can conclude that since 3.23 less than 2.064, then we can reject the null hypothesis. This means that at the significant level of 0.05, there is not enough evidence to conclude that the mean female grade is different from the mean male grade in the population.
Question number 10a. Write the out of the differential equation to calculate GPA. Note the constant and the constant. Okay, for the math score, the English score was given. So the solution is y equal to b or plus b1x and b1 sum x. So the answer is for the English score is y equals to 317.4 plus 86.14x. For increase of on English score will increase by 8 56.14. Meanwhile, the university CGPA is 0, then CGPA score is 300, 17.14. Question number 10. What is the R square of the model? Okay, for the math score, the correlation between the university CGPA, GPA and maths score is 0.77. The increase of positive moderate association relationship between the GPA and the math score is R square 0.77 bracket square 2, and the R square is 0.5929. The percentage between total variation with university GPA and maths score show the 59.29% of the percentage of the regression line.